What is going on, my peeps? Your man Versatile is back with another video, back here to talk about the Galaxy Watch Active 2 made by Samsung. Yes, I finally got me another watch. I got me a more recent watch. Pretty much came out 2 years ago. And the reason why I wanted this is because I really dig the design that they implemented here for the Galaxy Watch Active 2. I do have the aluminum color at 44 millimeters. Now, one of the main differences that you will see between the aluminum and pretty much like any other color, I think, is that you get half the size of RAM. So you get 750 megabytes worth of RAM and 4 gigs of storage on the aluminum color versus like the black and all the other colors get 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Battery life on here is 347 milliamps versus the 40 millimeters at like 250-ish. So you will see better battery life on here. Of course, it's super AMOLED and all that type of stuff. So before we get into additional specs, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so we never miss my videos. Then we can sit back and chillax, see what's cracking. Now let's bust this baby open here. Tigress, cracker open. All right, so you're gonna cut me. Boom. All right. Now, upon opening this here, now the runtime. Now the runtime you get is like 60 hours or so in terms of the life on here. Now this aluminum actually looks more like a blue, at least on the bottom. Yeah, it definitely is more of like a blue, like an aqua color. Now it says aluminum on the box, unless that's just what it's made out of. It's comprised of aluminum. The build, it's not stainless steel, it's aluminum, but the color is a bluish color. So this is what you get in here at 44 millimeters. You see it's more of a compact size watch, definitely compact in regards to as opposed to, I should say, or in contrast to the Galaxy Watch. Wow, very nice. It's very, I told you, sleek, slender. Now this one, you could argue, of course, because it's called the Galaxy Watch Active 2, that is much more geared towards activity, with the auto fitness tracking technology being, probably better in here and more useful features than like the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3, or even the Galaxy Watch 3 for that matter. Now they all have good tracking abilities because that's what the watches are also made to do, but the Active 2 is going to have a little bit more in regards to that than the other watches. Of course, here on the side, you kind of see it's kind of like a speaker grill here, and this is where the water gets let out whenever, if you like do swimming and stuff like that with it. It can go up to 50 meters in terms of water. It is IP68 rated. It does have good drop proof, dust proofness to it, so that's also nice there. It's pretty. I just wish I could have got a different color. I mean, the blue is nice, I'm not gonna lie, but I really was looking for like just straight up black. Now I do like the face. I'm sure it's not on. I do like the face. I'll be cutting it on here shortly. I really dig it. I'm gonna remove this watch and put this on here shortly. Now, what else do you get in the box? Well, you get a charger, and the charger is gonna be different than the chargers for the Gear and Galaxy Watch. It's actually this little subtle piece here that pretty much just lays flat, and then you just place the watch right on top of it. So that's something that I'm gonna have to get used to there. I have to make room on my little nightstand for this, but I like this. I kind of like the subtle approach to this charger for the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. You get this little piece here. Let me see. Paperwork, pretty much. What's new. I wish I could open this up, but paperwork is in here. Not really as concerned about that. Now, let's go ahead and close this up. Strap wise, these are 20 millimeter straps. So keep that in mind if you decide to grab a Galaxy Watch Active 2 at the 44 millimeter size. It is 20 millimeter size straps. So that's something I'll be investing in here soon, getting different colors or different textures for this. But now it's time to try it on. Galaxy Watch, time to put you to the side real quick. I can't wait to get some good watch faces, because with this new sleek look, it looks uber stellar. Now, drive my wrist a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. Ooh, it's cold to the touch. Ooh. Now, I'm not used to it being that small. I guess you tuck this in here, because I don't see anywhere else it would go. So you tuck the actual additional strap underneath it, so now it's just full like that, and then it fits. Oh wow, it really does kind of complement the wrist a little bit more, being in its subtle size, and it doesn't get in the way, which means I could technically wear this to like work and stuff and not have a problem. I don't see an extra piece of plastic on the glass, so this is nope. Yep, so they did not put any like protective, you know, stuff on it to peel off. That is what it looks like. Now if I was to hold the power button, is there juice? Sometimes you gotta hold it forever like the Gear S3. Okay, so she is straight dead. So what we will be doing is running this through its paces in terms of how does it track, you know, fitness, how does it feel wearing it, what's the battery life in real time like, and what some of the watch faces are that you can get on here. It's gonna be relatively simple, easy review. Is it a watch worth buying? As the price continues to fall, it's gonna be relatively easy to speak on, but nonetheless, we're gonna confirm a lot of these details in a further review and basically a week later or so impressions. So that is it for the Galaxy Watch Active 2. I was not expecting it to be that fast, but it is dead, so I can't really show you too much in B-roll. Hopefully I did. If you guys haven't already, ignite the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss my videos. Then we can sit back, relax, and see what's cracking. But your man Versatile signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.